Hello everyone, good morning. Today in this chapter we will read about Tygo's Whisker, which is chapter number 3 of class 5. And before moving forward, first we have to look over these word meanings which will come in the chapter when we start reading to it. Where Holy Father means the saints, या संत जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं, या रिलीजियस फादर जो होते हैं, या रिलीजियस पर्सन जो होते हैं, वही लोग होली फादर, उन्हीं को होली फादर कहा जाता है. सरप्राइज दैट मीन्स वंडर या आश्चर्य. क्वाइटली जिसका मतलब साइलेंटली होता है या शांति से जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. कॉटेज हट हमारे यहाँ जिसको हम लोग लोकल लैंग्वेज में मरई कहते हैं, या झोपड़ी जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं. माउंटेन या माउंटेनियस एरिया यानी कि पहाड़ी इलाके को कहा गया है. When we start reading about the chapter, first thing that is about the introduction of the story. तो स्टोरी में जाने से पहले हमें पहले ये पता करना होगा कि टाइगर्स व्हिस्कर बोलते किसको है. व्हाट इज टाइगर्स व्हिस्कर? नॉर्मली देयर इज, जब हम इंसानों की बात करते हैं तो इंसानों के पास मूछें होती हैं, और जानवरों के पास कुछ ऐसे जानवर हैं जिनके गल मूछें होती हैं. स्पेशली फॉर दैट कैट फैमिली, यानी द हेयर दैट ग्रो नियर देयर माउथ इज व्हिस्कर. तो हमें यहाँ पे करना ये है कि द फर्स्ट थिंग or the first character of the story is the young woman named Yunoke, who is in trouble that her husband do not take care of her or do not listen to her, and there are many more things that she wants. Second character is her husband, who had just returned from a war and lives alone at his home. Third is the hermit, who lives beside the mountainous area, or lives beside the mountains, or in the forest, mountainous forest. The fourth character is the tiger, whose whisker needed to make a potion. So these are the introduction of the story. As we move forward in the story, then we will study the chapter first, where we will look over the problems of the Yunoke. So, who was Yunoke? According to the story, a young woman by the name of Yunoke come one day to the hermit, माउंटेन हार्मिट. होता क्या है कि कहानी डायरेक्ट शुरू की गई है यूनोके, जो माउंटेन हार्मिट के पास जाती अपने सॉल्यूशन को लेकर के. ये कौन है, क्या है, किसी को मालूम नहीं है. जैसे जैसे चैप्टर आगे बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे आपको मालूम चलेगा कि ये यूनोके है क्या, और एक्चुअली ये आई क्यों थी हार्मिट के पास. कहता है शी सेड to the saint that, "O Holy Father, I am in deep distress. If you do not help me, I am truly lost." कहती है कि अगर आप मेरी मदद नहीं करोगे तो मैं पूरी तरीके से बर्बाद हो जाऊंगी. या फिर ये भी सेंस हो सकता है कि that she will lost her life. Well, what is your problem? said hermit. हामिद यहाँ पे पूछता है कि आपकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है. देन इन द होल सोल सी said that to the religious person, or religious that whatever he is, religious father, said that for the past 3 years my husband has been away fighting in the wars. Now that he has returned, had hardly ever speaks to me. But now he is a changed man, and he loved me before when he had gone to the war. यहाँ तक में कहता ये है, मतलब कहती है वो और यूनोके कि 3 साल पहले उसके जो हस्बैंड है, जो भी इसके हस्बैंड थे, ही हैज रिटर्न फ्रॉम ए वार, युद्ध लड़ करके वापस आए थे या लड़ रहे थे, और वो अभी अभी वापस आए हैं। और हार्डली ही स्पीक्स टू हर, her husband do not talk to Yunoke. That is why she was in deep distress. She also adds to the sentence that her husband loved him before, but when he had come from this war, he hardly speak to her or hardly loved her. He totally changed from this war. इसके अलावा कहती है कि if he speaks to him, if Yunoke speaks to him, then her husband did not seem to talk to her or hear to her. If ever he talked to me, whenever her husband talked to her, her husband speaks her roughly. बहुत बुरी तरीके से बर्ताव करता था, बहुत बुरी तरीके से बोलता था. If the food is not to his liking, he pushes it away and leaves the room angrily. कहती है कि फूड अगर उसके पसंद के नहीं होता, यानी उसके पति के हिसाब से नहीं होता, तो वो खाने को छोड़ करके घर से बाहर गुस्से में चला जाता है. After that, after hearing this problem, the hermit said him, making him understand that it does happen sometimes when young men came back after the wars. Their hearts are full of bitterness. He means that when a person lives in a war, fighting that long time, he saw that much killings. Then what happens with them, that their heart becomes bitterness, करवाहट से भर जाता है. After that, the Yunoke asked him to give some portion. Then Ahmed ask him to return, come back after 3 days. Then I could suggest whatever I need for that portion. After that portion, so when Yunoke returned after 3 days, the hermit suggests him to bring one whisker of the tiger. After hearing this, the women was surprised. Women got surprised and said, how could I bring that whisker? How it is possible to bring whisker? Because the hermit, suggest him to bring a living tiger whisker. एक जिंदा टाइगर के विस्कर की डिमांड की थी उस हामिद ने, इसलिए इसको आश्चर्य लगा कि ये कैसे ला सकती है, वो भी खास करके जिंदा टाइगर की. कहता है कि यू विल फाइंड इट इफ यू थिंक द पोर्शन इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट, सेड द हामिद. हामिद सेड दैट, जैसे ही हामिद कहते हैं कि इफ यू आर थिंकिंग दैट the portion is important, then you have to bring that whisker for me. After hearing this, the eunuch leaves the cottage and she went back to home. She started thinking about how she could get that whisker. Then one night, when her husband was asleep, she quietly crept from the house with a ball of meat in her hand. अचानक एक दिन क्या होता है कि जब उसका यूनोके के पति सो ही रहे होते हैं, तो वह चुपचाप घर से बाहर निकल जाती है और एक कटोरे में मीट मीट का जो मीट होता है वो ले करके जा रही होती है, कच्चा मांस ले करके जा रही होती है. She went to the palace. She went to the place in the forest where the tiger was known to live. मतलब जहां उनको पता था कि टाइगर रहता है, उस एरिया में वो जाती हैं. एंड आफ्टर but she stands far from the tiger's cave. She held out the ball of food towards the tiger. The tigers looked at it but did not move at all. मतलब वह बहुत दूर खड़ा रहकर वह मीट का टुकड़ा टाइगर को दिखाती है, लेकिन टाइगर उसको उनको देखता भी है, कुछ करता नहीं है, मूव नहीं करता वहां से. यह बहुत दिनों तक यही सिलसिला चलता है. बट एवरी डे शी कम्स क्लोजर टू द केव विथ अ मीट बॉल. She comes closer. As the day passes, she came little closer to the cave. What happened one night? She walked almost to the mouth of the cave. मतलब एक दिन ऐसा आता है कि वह लगभग जहाँ पे वो टाइगर रहता है उस केव के ठीक मुंह पे होती है. द ओपन एरिया वेयर शी वाज स्टैंडिंग. The tiger moved a step forward towards the woman. इस समय इस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे वो टाइगर विमेंस की तरफ आती, वुमेन की तरफ आती है. The two stood looking at each other in the moonlight. The fact is, the night was moonlight when she reached to the tiger's cave, and both of them, the tiger and Eunuch, was looking each other. They were so close that Eunuch could talk to the tiger in the soft and gentle voice. The tiger looked long into her eyes and then ate the food she had brought for him. कहता है कि अगर यूनो के धीरे से भी बोलती, इतना क्लोज थे कि धीरे से भी बोलती, तो वो उसको सुनाई देता. साथ ही साथ the tiger start eating the meat that Eunuch had brought for the tiger. When Eunuch came again the next night, she found tigers waiting. Tiger was waiting for her on the trail. On the trail means the tiger was looking for Eunuch on the path from where she was coming. After the tiger had eaten the food brought for him, Eunuch caressed his head gently with her hand, and this continued for many days. होता ये है कि when next day when Eunuch come with the ball of meat, the tiger ate that meat and she Eunuch sat beside the tiger and she start putting her hand on his head, on उसके सर पे क्या करती है कि वह हाथ से उसके सर को सहलाने लगती है. This continued for many days. बहुत दिनों तक ये चलता है. इसके बाद की जो कहानी है I will teach you in the next session. Till then, be at home and be safe. Thank you for watching this video.